Qué bonito fue el mar, dejamos huellas en la arena, recordando lo rico que fue cuando te quedaste conmigo, bebé. Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me, I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause
Me say hi. Mish.
Mimi, say hi. Happy Valentine. Where's up?
Yeah, that's all.
Come on. 6, 7.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to yet another amazing content. Happy Valentine's Day, love, like happy Val. So from the kitchen scenario, you know, I'm in my sister's house. Yes, so she's doing this Val party ish. So I'm here as a helper, as a sous chef that I am. I'm here to lend a hand in helping her to do things. So we've already started and I decided to vlog it. Initially, from the beginning of the vlog, you guys have seen we went for small shopping. Then I was like, okay, because I started the small shopping vlog, so let me continue vlogging. But anyway guys, right now I want to slice few stuff. I've already started slicing, like over there you can see. I'm trying to control my camera. It's trying to fall. Can you imagine? This camera want to disgrace my life. Over there you can see I'm trying to do the cabbage, okay, and here I've already chopped the green pepper. Here is yellow pepper and red pepper. Then this is spring onions. I've chopped those ones. Then we're having with some wine. Drink as you cook. If you know, you know. So she's going to be making different dishes. She's going to make salad, rice. I don't know, she's making chicken. Then she had an order, like a Valentine special order. So she's making for the person. She's gonna give you wine, salad, fruits, chocolate, rice, 2 different kind of rice, spaghetti, and protein. So that's the order she had, and she's doing it. So we are here for the Val. Let me know in the comment section what did you do for Val, and what does Val means for you? Is it about relationship, or is it about sharing gifts to the less privileged, or charity giving? What is your Val for you? Yeah, what is the reason behind Valentine's Day? Anyway guys, I'm going to be chopping that, which I'll show you guys everything, not step by step, but some process. Then when it's all done, I hope you enjoyed today's video with me. Let me know in the comment section. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share with comment. Like when I came to her kitchen is looking different. You know, previously I did an upgrading kitchen something, but right now she have done different things that I was not there to film it. But I'll show you guys how the kitchen look like now. Okay, let's see. But if you're walking, this is what you get. You know, the light was not there before. Then if you look down like this, she brought this basket, which is really cute. It's giving this aesthetic vibe. Then she placed this over here, which is very cute. Okay, and if you now look down, go down, see the lights are also under. Then she has this mat. Okay, I think she's gonna do more to go across to that side. She's gonna buy more, and she said she bought these stickers she's gonna put here, you know, give you that unique kitchen vibe. Okay, so this is the new stuff she has added to the kitchen, and she added this one right here as well. Then over here she had this right here. This was not in the kitchen before. Yes, so that's that. Anyway, I want to make this salad right now. I just love the light of the house. Need a grater to grate this. I heard that Nigerian banned this wrapping of money. No more wrapping of money. So if your boyfriend they wrap money for you, sorry for yourself. No more wrapping of money again. That's money roses or roses money. How do they call that thing again? My sister got it. That was 2 years ago. Maybe 3 years ago. She got the roses money. That's 2 years or 3 years ago. Anyway, Sha is in my channel. I'm going to use knife to cut these ones. I'm not gonna break my hand. Where's your phone? You don't put it up on the how will you perform it? Green one. Oh, it's too big. Do like this. No, do it like this. Chin with that. Like this. So guys, this is salad, dirty rice, dirty jollof rice, dirty jollof rice, normal jollof rice, spaghetti, and turkey. Like seriously, men they give babes things to you. This is a hamper of, I don't know how much, but this is a hamper for Valentine. I'll show you guys the full plate after she's done arranging. Anyone of Badamba, my hair of Badamba. If you have an Igbo friend, ask the person what is Badamba.
What is this?
Come on, drop it though, yeah? You can ask an Igbo person. For putting on the... What is Badamba? First will tell you.
Give that the Uber also be there. And these people doing this stuff don't come on.
The chef behind the scene of the Valentine stuff. She created all this. So you can check her out on Instagram and book your order. There are different foods, meat, everything you need on Onimenga. So kindly book your order. Okay guys, happy Valentine, and I wish whoever that had this package a beautiful love. See you guys in the next clip. Bye.